अस्सलाम वालेकुम एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज की वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे अबाउट ऑनलाइन शॉर्ट कोर्सेज दैट यू कैन डू टू ऐड टू योर नॉलेज एंड टू लर्न अ न्यू स्किल. So why should you do a short course or a training? The very simple reason is it improves your profile. So whether you're a student, whether you're a professional, whether you're a homemaker, this is a good way to learn something new without investing a lot of time and money and energy into a field. और अगर आप सोच रहे हैं अपनी प्रोफेशनल फील्ड चेंज करने के बारे में, दिस कैन बी अ गुड इंसाइट इनटू वेदर दिस फील्ड इज इवन मेड फॉर यू, वेदर यू आर इवन इंटरेस्टेड इन इट. सो बिफोर यू कमिट टू अ फुल फ्लेज्ड डिग्री, you can do a short course to figure it out. So now that we've established that anyone and everyone can benefit from doing an online training or short course, where can you do these trainings? बहुत से ऐसे प्लेटफॉर्म्स हैं, बहुत से ऐसे ट्रेनिंग इंस्टीट्यूट्स हैं जो डिफरेंट टॉपिक्स पे डिफरेंट फील्ड्स में ट्रेनिंग्स और कोर्सेज ऑफर करते हैं. द प्लेटफॉर्म दैट आई एम गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट बिकॉज दैट्स द वन आई हैव एक्सपीरियंस विद इज कॉल्ड Coursera. Coursera is an international platform. इस पे जो भी कोर्सेज होते हैं they are actually taught by professors from amazing universities. Now, if I'm speaking about my own experience, I've done 2 courses on Coursera. One was a course on English literature and the other was a course on social media marketing. The motivation behind doing a course in literature was that मुझे literature का बहुत शौक है. I was doing my degree in political science and so I thought why not do a short course on literature. For social media marketing, actually, the reason why I did it was because as a content creator, it helped me understand the industry better, and when I go to a brand, I'm able to explain to them better how I can add value to their brand. So in both these cases, you can see पहले में passion was the motivation और दूसरे में business was the motivation, or improving my own understanding of my own field was the motivation. So there can be many reasons why you should do a course. अब ये both these courses were taught by professors from amazing universities, so Harvard and MIT, and the thing is कि ये pre-recorded थे, which is great for me because actually you can do them at your own pace. But if you're someone who likes more interaction, then I would suggest not doing a pre-recorded course and instead going for a course जहाँ पे tutor भी आपके सामने है and you can interact with your class fellows as well. Another interesting thing about these courses on Coursera is that the assignments are actually very thought-provoking. So instead of doing exams, you have to do case studies, you have to do essays, and for someone who comes from a background जहाँ पे आपने सिर्फ theoretical exams दिए हैं, this can be a very good way to learn. One question that I get very often from people is कि I'm so busy, I'm a student, मेरे पास time नहीं होता, I'm a mom, I'm so busy with my career. And while all of those things might be true, I will say this, it's a matter of commitment. Once you commit to doing a course, आप टाइम निकाल ही लेते हैं. When I did my first course, I was doing my undergrad. When I did my second course, I was in a full-time job. I would really say that the value these courses bring to your life completely make it worth it. Now, talking specifically about Coursera, there are 2 ways that you can take a course. One is that you enroll in the course. इसमें आपको पे करना होता है, आप पूरा course attend करते हैं, you submit all the assignments, and then at the end you get a certificate. The other thing you can do is audit a course. Auditing means आप एक क्लास में बैठते तो ज़रूर है मगर आपको सर्टिफिकेट नहीं मिलता, बट द एडवांटेज इज यू ऑल्सो डोंट हैव टू पे फॉर इट. नाउ वेदर यू वांट टू ऑडिट अ कोर्स और एनरोल इन इट, ये आपकी मोटिवेशंस पे डिपेंड करता है. अगर आपने वो कोर्स अपनी CV में डालना है, डेफिनेटली एनरोल इन इट. बट इफ इट्स समथिंग दैट यू आर डूइंग आउट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट, आउट ऑफ पैशन, इफ यू आर डूइंग इंग्लिश लिटरेचर जिसका आपकी CV से कोई ताल्लुक नहीं है, देन आई वुड से ऑडिट इट. सो मैंने क्योंकि दोनों दफ़ा कोर्स अपने इंटरेस्ट की वजह से किया था, एज अपोज टू एडिंग समथिंग ऑन माई CV, आई ऑडिटेड बोथ टाइम्स. अनदर थिंग यू कैन डू इज audit the course first, and if you feel it was a good enough course for you to add to your CV and you are willing to pay for it, then you can enroll in it. Again, on Coursera there is no limit to this. Coursera के अलावा भी बहुत से platforms हैं internationally, so there's Udemy, there's many more that I can't remember. The reason I'm repeating Coursera is simply because that's the platform I have experience with. But another thing you can actually do is simply Google your keywords. So for example, you want to do an online course in social media management, just write social media management online course. It will give you a list of very relevant courses. उसमें से you can assess what is best for you in terms of payment, in terms of timing, also in terms of the people offering the course, उनकी क्या qualifications हैं और क्या वो आपकी requirements को meet कर रहे हैं. Now, if you're a full-time student enrolled in an undergraduate or graduate program, I cannot stress this enough. Doing a course like this is not just a great addition to your CV, but also you can learn something about a field that you haven't really studied in your program, or a field that you're interested in but इतनी detail से नहीं पढ़ाई गई. या the reason why I wanted to make this video is because I don't think कि कभी भी सीखने और सिखाने का वक्त ख़त्म होना चाहिए इंसान की ज़िंदगी में. So no matter who you are and where you are and what you're thinking about in your life, I just want to motivate you कि अगर आपने सोचा है किसी भी फील्ड में या किसी भी टॉपिक में थोड़ा सा भी आपको इंटरेस्ट है, go online now, find the best course for yourself and just start doing it. I'm not going to pretend like it's the easiest thing to do, but the good thing is it's a short course, तो ये maximum भी 2 से 3 महीने का होगा. So once the course is done, you are free and you will have gained so much experience, you will have learned so much about this field. वन थिंग आई रियलाइज इज़ कि बहुत से काम बहुत डॉन्टिंग लगते हैं, लेकिन जब हम शुरू करते हैं वी रियलाइज ये तो बड़े आराम से हो सकता था. वेदर यू आर अ स्टूडेंट और हैव अ जॉब और आर बिजी एट होम, वंस यू स्टार्ट डूइंग इट, वंस यू मोटिवेट योर सेल्फ, यू विल रियलाइज के रास्ते खुद ही से खुलते जाते हैं. सो दिस इज़ माई लिटिल मोटिवेशनल वीडियो बिकॉज आई नो सो मेनी पीपल मैसेज मी टू से कि हमें समझ नहीं आ रहा हम क्या करें एंड वी डोंट नो व्हाट फील्ड टू गो इन, वीव टेकन अ ब्रेक, अब समझ नहीं आ रहा कि कहाँ से दोबारा शुरू करें. आई वुड से द बेस्ट प्लेस टू स्टार्ट is from an online course which will help you figure out कि अब आगे क्या करना है. 10 years ago this would not have been possible. 10 years ago this would have not been possible. आपको अपने शहर में कोई academy ढूंढनी पड़ती. Thanks to the internet we have access to the world's best programs at our hands, so why not take advantage of that. I hope you found this video useful and also inspirational. If you do start a short course, please do let me know. I will be so happy to hear from you, and if you have any questions, please do leave them down below. Bye.